Isn't that a duck? Or is it a bird?
Bird.
Oh.
I think.
You'd think I would have known that because ducks are in water. So much up. Oh my god. Oh my god, where's the other one that I was filming? Oh, okay, it's still there. Alright. I saw a lot of ibises at Currumbin. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't even know what that is, but anyway. Fudge. This is actually really fun.
And there's another one in the water, close by.
You know what I should bring one time?
What?
My granddad left me this whole atlas book about birds. I've still got it as part of my reference books.
Oh, okay.
So
To find out what they are.
yeah. So got well, what is that? Maybe I should bring that next time.
Or we can take pictures and then go home and go through the book.
Yeah. I thought I'm seeing things when it... Oh, yeah.
Frightened me a little bit.
Oh my god! I've never actually known them to fly right up there.
Wasn't expecting that.
Me neither. But I think I got that on footage. There's the ibis. Oh. Where are you? There you go. Shit. Oh my god. I'm trying to hold it still enough. Can we do this every Sunday?
Yeah.
This is actually really fun. Oh my god, would you believe I'm getting all three of them in the footage together? Holy shoot! And I can't believe I'm actually holding my phone. Holy crap!
What?
So, oh my god. So I've got the 3 of them over in this corner, and then I've got that little one over in that corner. So they're all kind of merging together. Holy shit! We gotta keep doing this. This is awesome.
Yeah, we can do this on a Sunday or Saturday, yeah.
Plus, it means more footage for my channel.
Yes.
Let's face it, I'm always looking for new. I don't want to disturb them. That's better. I could have obstructed. That's awesome! I'm literally getting all 3 of them. That's awesome. Is it weird that I'm so excited about this?
No. This one getting closer and closer.
Whoa. Shoot. Okay. I'm not actually going to disturb it. Because, like, I want to see what it does. Holy crap. Holy crap. And there's 2 up there. And another one up there. Up. Woo. Oh, there we go.